Hey, good morning, Bob. Trade Genius here, the 17th of March. I just want to show you one stock here, and it's RIOT. And RIOT was had some notoriety about 18 months ago. I'll flip over to the weekly to show you in a second. When everything, when all things blockchain was just going through the roof, and the thing went from basically 50 down to a buck 50. Here, check this out. And it hit a high of 46.20. Amazing. And then it drove all the way down to about a buck 50 here. And the reason why I brought it back up again is that I like to find these lottos, especially when there's buyer interest coming back into these names. And up until about the end of January, this thing was really just dead money. Then all of a sudden, we've got a series now of higher lows, and then we had this gap up, and now it's pushing again. Some news came out on it that they want to actually start up a crypto exchange. Now that all this might be already in the price, but I love the action. And so what I'm going to do here is now I'm going to see if it breaks out from here, then it's probably worth chasing a little bit. But if it pushes back down, especially if it gets back down into this channel, fills this gap, and starts coming back up again, we'll start trading it. And so there's an opportunity, at least short term, might be an opportunity for a triple on this thing. We'll see, but we'll trade it, and just gonna wait to see if it pushes back down. It had a nice Friday, but we're now kind of overbought on the money flow, and Stokes have already pushed back higher. And the last time it went ahead and peaked, it hit 369, and then when it bottomed, it went back down to 320. So, there's probably 5 to 10% wiggle in this thing now, and so we'll keep an eye on it and see if we can catch a double-digit move on it. Okay, I did a lot of scans this weekend, and not too much is undervalued again, and it's going to be interesting to see what the market does on Monday for the broad market. So I'm going to go ahead and do some futures trades setups next, and really interest for you is not so much the futures, but looking at the big indexes. So that'll be coming out in a little bit. Thanks for listening. TradeLikeAGenius.com. And everybody that new signed up this week, just make sure that if you bought the access to the TradingView, that you get us your TradingView name, and if you get into the chat room, you get enormous benefit from all the learnings that are going on there as well. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye bye.